ensure that you pull up many more people. My son got 99% marks and my mate 7 son got 80% marks. Who's better? Once we get on to the thing and once we start earning money and all, we move on. You said that you want to be change makers. You said that you want to be the future of India. You said that you will have empathy, compassion and everything, right? So the three promises that I asked of you. The first promise, when you get out of this education ecosystem and get onto your first job, ensure that you pull up many more people, which means that the first fight that you must do is make education affordable. The second thing is empathy and compassion. My son got 99% marks and my mate 7 son got 80% marks. Who's better? The answer is my mate 7 because she doesn't have anything, she doesn't have money, but she's still gone ahead, made a child study and got 80% marks. My son doesn't deserve the 99%. He's coached. Your empathy must understand that a score doesn't determine who's good and who's bad. Two human beings and one person is being told that you're lesser than me is very inhuman. If you don't understand that, if you don't learn that, you're not studied anything. The third part of it is giving back. We as a country have very little space for giving back because once we get on to the thing and once we start earning money and all, we move on. We start earning money, we have a family, we have 2 kids and we want to go to Europe for a holiday and all. Very good, do all those things. But give back a part of your money because what you have gained out of, with your money, 10 people might gain out of.